You've probably been tossing this part of cilantro straight into the trash without ever realizing how much flavor and value you're wasting. But once you learn what cilantro roots can actually do, you'll never throw them out again. From rich, aromatic soups to powerful natural remedies, this overlooked ingredient is a secret weapon in many traditional kitchens around the world. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be saving every single root and wondering why no one ever told you this before. Cilantro roots grow deep in the soil, which means they often come covered in dirt and fine dust. And because they're delicate and filled with natural essential oils, it's important to clean them the right way gently and without damaging their structure. Start by placing the roots into a large bowl or basin. Fill it with enough water to fully submerge them. Let them soak for 3 to 5 minutes. This softens the dirt and makes it easier to remove without any scrubbing. Once they've soaked, gently swish them around in the water, using your fingers to loosen and remove any remaining soil. Be careful not to crush or tear the roots. You want to keep all that natural aroma locked in. Now, while they may look clean, they're not quite ready yet. Tiny particles and bacteria can still be hiding in the crevices. That's why the next step is a deeper clean. Prepare a clean bowl of water and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Stir it well until fully dissolved. Baking soda is a natural cleaner that helps break down residues, neutralize bacteria, and remove even the finest dirt without the use of harsh chemicals. Place the pre-rinsed cilantro roots into this mixture and let them soak for about 10 minutes. After the soak, lift them out and give them one final rinse under running water to remove any remaining baking soda. By the way, did you know that cilantro is rich in antioxidants and contains vitamins like A, C, and K? Its roots carry much of the same nutrients, along with powerful plant compounds used in traditional medicine. And here's a quick question: have you ever used cilantro roots before or heard of their benefits? If not, keep watching because we're just getting started. Finally, place the cleaned roots on a mesh strainer or a kitchen towel to air dry. You can also gently pat them with a paper towel if you're in a hurry. Now you've got fresh, clean cilantro roots ready to use in your next dish. Cilantro roots aren't just for cooking. Many people use them for their health benefits, especially in traditional remedies. These roots are believed to support gentle detoxification, aid digestion, act as a mild diuretic, and even help ease the symptoms of minor colds. To make a simple cilantro root tea, start by choosing a stainless steel or clay pot. These materials are best for retaining heat evenly and preserving the root's natural properties. Add a handful of freshly cleaned cilantro roots to the pot. Then pour in 500 milliliters of water, which is about 2 cups. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the water will slowly turn a pale yellow and release a strong herbal aroma. That fragrance comes from the root's essential oils and beneficial plant compounds. Cilantro roots are naturally warm in nature, meaning they're often used to support circulation and boost the body's immune response. Once the water has changed color and the scent is rich and earthy, remove it from the heat. Strain out the roots using a fine mesh sieve or a clean cloth. The liquid that remains is your tea. You can pour it directly into a cup and enjoy it warm. If you like a little sweetness, feel free to add a teaspoon of honey. It blends well with the flavor and adds a gentle, soothing touch, especially when you're feeling under the weather. But here's something important to keep in mind: even natural remedies should be used in moderation. 1 cup per day is enough, and it's best to drink it only 2 to 3 times a week. More isn't always better. Also, if you're pregnant or currently taking any medications, always check with your doctor before trying herbal drinks like this. While cilantro root is generally considered safe, it can interact with certain conditions or treatments. And one final tip: fresh cilantro roots will always give you a stronger aroma and more potent effect than dried ones. So whenever possible, choose fresh. You'll get the full benefit of both flavor and nutrition. If you have more cilantro roots than you can use right away, it's a good idea to preserve them properly so they don't go to waste. The process is simple and helps keep the roots flavorful and ready to use for months. Start by taking a sharp knife and cutting the clean cilantro roots into small sections, about 2 to 3 centimeters long. Cutting them this way allows them to dry faster and makes them easier to work with later, whether you want to grind them, crush them, or use them to make tea. Next, line a tray with a clean cloth or oil-absorbing paper to help wick away any remaining moisture. Spread the root pieces out in a single layer, making sure they're not piled on top of each other. Place the tray in a well-ventilated area with light sunlight somewhere warm but not too hot. Avoid places that are dusty or where insects might get in. Let the roots dry naturally for 2 to 3 days. You'll know they're ready when they feel completely dry to the touch, no longer sticky, and break easily with a bit of pressure. Once they're dry, transfer the roots to a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Store the jar in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. This keeps the roots from absorbing moisture or losing their aroma. For even longer storage, you can place the sealed jar in the refrigerator. The cool temperature helps preserve the roots' oils and flavor for a much longer time. With this method, you'll always have dried cilantro roots on hand, clean, fragrant, and ready whenever you need them. Dried cilantro roots can also be used to make a soothing herbal tea. To prepare it, simply place 5 to 7 dried root pieces into a glass cup or mug. Pour in boiling water, making sure the roots are fully submerged. Then cover and let it steep for about 10 minutes. This tea is known for its natural warming effect and is often used to support digestion, ease bloating, and gently detox the body. It also has mild antibacterial properties that may help relieve cold symptoms. Once the tea has steeped long enough, strain out the roots and set the liquid aside. At this point, you can customize the flavor. Add a thin slice of fresh ginger for extra warmth and cold relief. A small spoon of honey is perfect if you're drinking it warm, adding both comfort and sweetness. And if you prefer something more refreshing, a thin slice of lemon can brighten the flavor and help neutralize any strong herbal scent. It's simple, natural, and surprisingly effective. Here's another simple way to make tea from dried cilantro roots. Start by adding 1 teaspoon of dried roots for every 1 cup of water into a small pot. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes. Cilantro roots contain natural plant compounds that can help reduce bloating, ease indigestion, and support the body's natural detox process. The tea has a light, earthy aroma that's calming, and when enjoyed before bed, it may even help you sleep more peacefully. After simmering, turn off the heat and let the tea cool slightly. Then strain out the roots and pour the liquid into a cup. For the best results, drink it while it's still warm. The warmth helps activate the beneficial properties and enhances the soothing effect on your stomach. If you're not used to the strong flavor of cilantro roots, you can add a slice of fresh ginger or a bit of lemon to make it more pleasant and refreshing. This method gives you a gentle, natural tea you can enjoy anytime you need a calming boost from the inside out. Cilantro roots may be small and often overlooked, but as you've seen, they carry powerful benefits from boosting digestion and supporting detox to adding rich flavor to herbal teas and traditional remedies. Whether you use them fresh or dried, these roots deserve a place in your kitchen, not your trash. So next time you bring home a bunch of cilantro, don't throw away the roots. Try one of the simple methods we've shared today and experience the difference for yourself. If you learned something new, or you're planning to give cilantro root tea a try, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with someone who might still be tossing out these tiny treasures. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more ways to make the most of every part of your food.